Another trigonometric videos. Another trigonometric videos. It's equations, trigonometric equations. We ended up over here in the last video, previous video, trigonometric equation part 2, and this is trigonometric equation now part 3. Okay, we ended up over here. If we use the calculator and we want to do the minus 0.33333 and we do shift cosine for it, inverse cosine, we got 109.47 or 109.5 or 109 if rounded to the whole number. So it will be cosine 109.5 degrees, right? 109.5 degrees. Okay, so theta will be equal over here to either 109 degrees 0.5 plus 360 degrees K, or theta equal minus 109, because it's cosine, right? Plus 360 degrees K. If K is 0, over here 109 is acceptable because it will be less than 180, so 109 is okay. Theta equal 109 is okay, or 109.5 degrees is okay. If theta is 1, it will be more. If theta is minus 1, less than 0, more than 360, it's not acceptable. Over here, theta is 0, gives me negative. Theta is 1, gives me 360 degrees. Minus 109, it will be more than 108. So these are the only possible values. I would like to make just one more video on that. It's part, we did 5 parts, I guess, A, B, C, D, E. Now it's part F. Let's do condition first for theta between 0 and 360 degrees. Theta between 0 and 360 degrees. One more for these kinds of problems till now, for now, and if you need it more, I can upload some more videos. So now what do we have? What do we have? We have a problem because it's cosine and sine. We can compare sine with sine, cosine with cosine, tangent with tangent. So I have to change the sine square into cosine. We know that cosine square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. This means what is sine square theta? Sine square theta will be equal to 1. Take the cosine square to the other side, it will be 1 minus cosine square theta. So here 1 plus cosine theta is equal to 2 into, right, 1 minus cosine square theta. Let me expand this. 1 plus cosine theta is equal 2 times 1, it's 2, and 2 times minus cosine square theta, it's minus 2 cosine square theta. Let me take them all to the same side. Minus 2 cosine square theta, it will be 2 cosine square theta to the left side of equal, plus cosine theta, and 2 goes minus 2, and plus 1, it's minus 1, simply is equal to 0. Again, we have same as we did before, but another equation, right? We can either directly factorize it, or simply we can find delta and find the roots. We can find delta and find the roots by using delta, right? This is simple one. We can directly factorize it by guess and check. It's minus times a plus, and it's 1 times 1. The extremes gives us 2 cosine theta, and that means minus 1 cosine theta, and this will be cosine theta in the middle. It's correct. 2 factors multiplied gives us 2 cosine, sorry, it's 2 cosine theta minus 1 equals 0. This means cosine theta is equal to half, which is equal cosine 60, right? Cosine 60 degrees half. So either theta equal 60 degrees plus 360 degrees K, or theta equal minus 60 degrees plus 360 degrees K. If K is 0, theta is acceptable as 60 degrees, because between 0 and 360 this exercise. If K is 1, exceeds. If K is minus 1, we exceed, we be below 0, so not acceptable. Here, if K is 0, minus 60, not acceptable. If K is equal to 1, 360 minus 60, 300 degrees is acceptable value. What else do we have? We have some other one we don't want to forget, which is cosine theta plus 1 equal to 0. This means cosine theta is equal to minus 1. And what is minus 1 for cosine theta? It's cosine 1 pi. Cosine pi is minus 1. So either theta equal pi, which is 180 degrees plus 360 degrees K, or theta is equal minus 180 degrees K, minus 180 degrees plus 360 degrees K. If K0 180 is acceptable, if K0 180 degrees is acceptable, K1 will be more than 360, K minus 1 will be below 0, that's it. And here if K0 minus 180 not acceptable, if K equal to 180, 360 minus 180, 180, we got it. If K equal minus 1 will be below 0 and not acceptable. So the only three acceptable values we have are 60, right, 180 degrees and 300 degrees, and that's be it.